while this stops getting angry, I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna fix my hat. Okay, I'm gonna give you the second point of the biggest problems that I see when people brew. So number two. So the biggest problem, again, that I see when people brew is you're making a one stage 막걸리, 단양주, which is probably the most familiar with everyone and the most common that people learn, because you steam rice, which is the most fundamental part of, I would say, making makgeolli, and you mix all your ingredients, and it's pretty straightforward, right? Now we can go number two. Number two again is not mixing your ingredients enough. Okay, so once you steam your rice or 고두밥 and you put it in a vessel, okay, you put 고두밥 in here and then you put nuruk in here and then you put water in here. Now what's your job? Your job is to use your hand, your 손맛, right? And then you mix, and then I see people doing this for just 5 minutes, and then they get tired, and they think it's okay, well, whatever. But no. Okay, this is super important. You want to mix your all your ingredients very thoroughly. I would say at the minimum, and you're gonna hate me, it's gonna be about 30. I would say 30 minutes. Give it 30 minutes, right?
What?
Essentially, what you want to do is you want to do a super good job mixing.
Okay.
You want to mix that for 30 minutes, right? This thing is still angry. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait. All right. Anyways, nice and easy. Okay.